Hey guys, welcome back to Abba. Today we are going to be making slime. Let's get on to the video.
Let's make the slime. So, you need glue.
Glue. We both have glue. I have clear. She doesn't.
But I'm gonna be making foam, so I have these beads. So
I might not. I don't know. I'm doing purple. She's doing red. You need. Okay, so you need glue. You can add foam beads.
Food dye.
Food dye. If you don't
paint.
Or paint. If you don't have contact lens solution, then you could just use borax and warm water.
So it's 1 cup warm water with, I use half a teaspoon of borax, and then, but for the contact lens solution method, you need about, I'd say, I use 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and as much contact lens solution as you need until it makes it not sticky.
Wait, we forgot an ingredient.
What?
Lotion.
Okay,
she's gonna go get lotion because we forgot lotion, so she's gonna go get it. It doesn't matter what kind of lotion, whatever smell you like best. Use that in your slime. And yeah. So we're gonna wait for her to go get the lotion, I guess. So yeah. I think she's on her way down the stairs. We forgot an ingredient. Okay, so I think she's back. Is she back? Okay, she's back.
I have the lotion.
I told them that you could use any scent you like best.
Yep. I just grabbed that because
yeah,
it smells good too.
Yeah. Okay, so first you add in the glue.
I'm using a whole container.
Me too.
You can only use a tiny bit if you want though. This one's gonna be pretty big.
Mine is pretty big. This is beautiful. Glutiful. It's not beautiful, it's glutiful. I'm making sure I get all of it.
Yeah, that's kind of impossible with mine.
Okay, that's good enough.
I think that's good.
I tried.
Oop, my cat.
Remember on So Much Fun, Chase dropped this in there.
Yeah.
FCTV did. Okay, so we got all of the glue. You could technically tell mine is clear.
Okay. Now Abby needs a tiny bit of water because it's clear.
What? Okay, if it's clear, you add a tad bit of water.
Yep.
Can you go this way?
Yep. Okay, so now you guys can't tell because it's clear too. But you added a tiny bit of water.
Now
you can stir that.
Okay, I'll stir it.
Contact lens solution. Clear glue is thinner than this, so it might feel weird, but
okay.
Add
food dye. Should I add food dye?
Yeah.
I actually kind of want it clear.
Really?
Kind of.
It turns like gray after a while, so I don't recommend doing clear.
Oh, I don't have any drawers.
Oh, you don't?
Can I use pink? Can I make pink?
Yeah.
You make red.
Mine's gonna be that color.
Okay, I'll try to do 1 drop. How much did you do?
Like 6. I was trying to go for a red, but pink works too. It's like a bright pink, almost as colorful as my bowl.
See, this I love because
it looks cool.
I'm gonna add 1, maybe 2 more.
This really wasn't on there. Now you just want to add
This is beautiful. beautiful.
The lotion just makes it stretchier. You don't actually have to. But that's my lotion in there.
Oh, I didn't add lotion yet.
So
Okay, I'm just now adding lotion.
just add a tiny small bit because it might make it less clear. But
Then I'm
oh
not.
well, no, because you don't want it not stretchy.
You can do it tomorrow on your own video.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
We were gonna do it with him.
Oh.
Were we?
Yeah.
I don't remember that. But
Me
okay.
neither.
So
He can make it on Abby.
smells good. Okay.
Oh yeah, we forgot to tell you. Sometimes my brother and my sisters are probably gonna be on my.
I'm always gonna be on here pretty much.
Yeah, but my brothers and sisters might not always be on it, but sometimes they will.
Now you want to add their beads.
I'm not adding.
Actually, nope, not right now. Sorry, guys. I just tricked you.
No beads yet.
Now you want to add a tiny bit of the solution. Add it
Okay,
in.
don't blame me, but this is only my third video. So I only started putting them
Actually,
on YouTube
today.
Because
So,
we've been so busy.
not really so busy.
True. I'm gonna need more. Cause look.
Yeah.
It's like jelly. Look, guys. It's like jelly.
Like Jello.
Jelly.
Okay.
It's strawberry jam. Strawberry jam. Do not. I recommend not eating this, or else you might die.
Yeah, you will.
Yeah. Or you might get sick.
Just a disclaimer there.
You're gonna
Don't
die.
eat your slime.
Only eat edible slime.
Yes. That is true. That
But
you
do
can.
not trick people that it's edible slime, or else.
They might die.
Yes. Okay, so warning: do never do that because.
They might die.
Yeah, and I don't want any of your best friends dying.
Or your fam.
Yes, so I recommend not doing that unless you really don't like them and you actually
No,
want them
no,
to die.
no. Don't do that, guys. Just don't. By the way, my name is Haley. I'm her sister. I don't think I said
My
that.
name is actually Abby, but that's my. But I call it Dub Dub Doo. I got glue on my hands.
Oh well, you're not gonna die. This does take a lot of mixing, so keep adding till it's pretty sticky, but actually pretty much slime already.
Mine is pretty much slime.
But with hers, you want to make it till it's not sticky anymore.
Yeah, because mine is still really sticky though.
This one you just need it. If you're doing foam, then you need it kind of sticky.
I'm not doing. I might not.
Don't do foam.
Okay.
It'll be weird. Maybe. I don't know.
I'm not gonna do foam.
It's up to you.
This is slime, but it's still really sticky. I'm guessing. It looks really sticky.
Mine is just pretty much glue right now.
I really don't want to touch it, but I have to feel it to know if it's.
Yep, it's very sticky. Not slime yet. So it will start.
Don't add too much
liquid.
contact lens solution or something, because
It'll ruin it.
yeah, don't add too much of anything. Oh, okay. I didn't know what you were just doing right there.
My arm is getting tired.
Is that the garage?
Nope, it's the dishwasher.
Oh, I thought our dishwasher didn't make a noise.
It kind of does, only when we're quiet.
Yeah,
You can hear it.
our family's usually never this quiet. But
Kinda
they're
funny.
all upstairs because they said it has to be so quiet.
So whatever. It's actually a better video when it's quiet.
Hey, look. Look.
My arm getting tired. No,
No.
I know. Totally helpful.
It's clear pink, basically. It looks like strawberry jam.
No, we don't have blue food.
We
not that
ran
I
out of blue.
know of.
I would have done
But
blue.
these were pretty much the only colors we have. Was red, black.
Cause I found one of these colors. I found red.
Yeah. That you did.
Yeah, it was in our coloring
Very
bin.
sticky stuff.
It was in our coloring bin when we only thought we had blue left.
Yep. But then we killed the blue.
Yeah, because we never thought, because we didn't make slime ever since. We thought we didn't, and then we just decided to do a video.
Luke drew this for you.
Oh, okay, that's.
Our little brother just drew something for us.
Yeah, it looks like Luke and me on a boat.
I don't even.
Okay.
It's cute.
He's 4.
True.
Do you want to show them what it is?
What?
Show them the picture.
A picture of what?
The picture.
Oh, okay. Here's the picture.
Yep, don't judge him. He's 4.
Don't judge.
And
Now
He
they're gonna
doesn't draw
dislike
a
this video.
sticky. Kind of.
Make sure to like. Do not dislike. If you.
Okay. I'm just gonna add my foam beads now. Don't even really know if it's time. I added a lot. And
Haley, should I stick my finger in? Ooh, way too sticky.
this is harder than I thought. Like my arm is completely sore. right
No.
now. Yours is easier.
This is so sticky, but also slime. Same time. It's just not slime, but it's slime. It's slime, but it's not.
I'll be right back.
Haley, you can't just stitch.
Okay.
What you
Let's
say?
hurry up with
Okay.
So let's just hurry and make our slime.
Because it's taking
It's
forever.
about done.
No, it's not
I'm
done.
trying to mix the beads in.
Mine is not done. Still really
And
sticky.
it's
I know.
sticky. I think slime, unless it's clear, is better with.
Okay, I think I'm done.
Mine is practically done. Just oh, yours is sticky and not even really slime.
I know mine.
It actually, the day this comes out, it won't be the same day we made the other 2 videos. Because I'm not editing it till tomorrow because I'm tired. Because it's already past 8,
8:30?
so
8:30 already?
yeah, it's past 8:30
Uh-oh.
already. This is my slime. I know it's kind of really sticky.
Haley, can you work on mine?
Yeah.
It's not working.
What do you mean it's not working?
Oh.
Guess I have to make
Okay.
So that is pretty much it for this video. So yeah.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. In the comments, let me know if you want to see more videos of us making slime. Bye!